Hey, welcome to this video. Um, Hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe. Um, so basically, what we're gonna be covering is the while loop in Go and something special about that on the side. How to iterate through a slice or an array, and how to just use a normal for loop that increments. So first off, let's put our print function. Print. And I won't be using PowerShell in this video because it just runs slow, but just have faith in me in the fact that I kind of know what I'm doing. So first of all, we're gonna do the for loop that goes on, oops, the for loop that goes on infinitely. So let's just say I have this 0. So we have a variable that is initialized at 0. And we wanna just increment it by 1. So to increment it by 1, we do I++, and then we print it. This would go on forever, right? This would go on forever because we don't really have anything here. As long as you just have 4, it goes on forever. And that's what I wanted to say about the while loop. The Golang doesn't really have a while loop. It just has 4. So, and you can also put a condition here like I 0, and then we put this as 1. So if it's larger, hold on, if it's larger than 0, which it is, it increments plus 1. So that's I++, and it goes on forever. So, and this is the same thing as just doing true, right? It takes in a boolean right here. So yeah, that's about it for that. If we want to just do one of these where you initialize a variable equals 0, you put this, you put a semicolon, you go up to, like, let's say 10, and then you increment by 2. So you do increment by 2 plus equals 2. This would do 2 4 6 8 2 4 6 8, and it would stop at 8 because it's incremented by 2, and the condition is less less than 10, right? And that's about it. That's about it when it comes to that. If you want to go through a slice, let's say our slice is a string slice. So we do string Tom. Sorry about this. I'm in the dark. Harry and Bob. Right? We take this off and we just do for IV. So this would be index and value. For IV equals range slice. All of this is important. We do I and V. We print out the I and V. And this would do 0 Tom, 1 Harry, 2 Bob. That's what it would print out. If we don't want the index in the print, all we have to do is just put this as an underscore and just print V. Because we're basically ignoring this, so we can just put it as an underscore. Um, and yeah, I mean, that's about it for for loops. Obviously, there's nested for loops, and you can go on even further than this, but this is the basics.